Clever brother, whatever they call your name, not go better for you for this life. Now you go first use signature enter that 6 feet where you say, except say use signature kpai, now you go leave am alone. As you dey go, so next time when you go come back, say they come back to use signature house, may you can't use something till they hit am for that leg where your sister don't make am cripple, where not fit waka. Now, in short, na motor na go kpai you for road. You not go see head till reach that domot again. Now motor go kpai you for road. As you and your sister say you not go leave this boy alone. Now motor na go kpai you for road. Now you go first use signature enter 6 feet. You and your sister is very wicked, so and now God na go punish you of now join them. Anyway, my people, before I go into this matter, let me greet you all. I greet you according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. It's your girl again, Linda Gist TV. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, make you do me well by hitting this following button. Make you share this video. Make you not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you. My people, I see the video where we say the post for using your page. I was so touched and pain. I was so touched and pain. For what reason? Which money you dey draw using nation? Person arrest your sister, you go use money bail her. And so what is the business of the person? What is the business of the person? If your sister stay in only, using nation go arrest them. You can't get mind. You first come the other time. Busy rest can't fight you, you can't come out. You come again. You can't dey hit on something for leg. Say, oh, let's say you see nation, but I say you go make sure say you not go waka again. See, amen. As you dey prepare, say you go come next time. Now so you go say, now so motor go take brush you. Well, if that motor brush you, your 2 leg, now that motor go pieces, and you not go use that waka again for your life. You not go use that waka again for your life. It not go deal well with you and your sister. It not go deal well with you. Bad family. It not go deal well with you. As you and your sister say una dey evil, una no wan let this boy be. It not go deal well with you and your sister. Your sister not go see better for his life, and you yourself not go see better. You not go see better for your life. You not go ever see better for your life. Your sister not go see. Your sister clever. Whether that clever be real name or whatever be real name for this life where your papa and mama give her, it not go better for her. As he get my say now juju place as small as your sister dey, so that men looking at you, your elder sister and your sister not go past 20-something years. Your sister can't say now just at his age, now just now you go they do make Matthew love him. Where go do just where take turn using nation to cripple. Now that cripple that will tell know your sister. May your sister wake up one morning not go waka again for a life. No pastor, not body go feel heal am. This one it go be direct from God Almighty. Because na karma must locate your sister. As you say you dey go back again, may you go deal with using nation. Say that you go make sure say using nation not use that leg waka again. May you get motor accident for road, make you not see head say come that place again. May the motor cripple your leg. Since you and your family say una dey very wicked, una dey mean. This boy not do your sister anything. You know, if you get with this, I dey follow this thing where your sister they do and ever since. But I don't want to talk about this matter. I dey follow and sis. I don't want to talk about this matter. Your sister they run follow man up and the man they you see I say Mary girlfriend DJ. You see I say the guy get girlfriend. If they follow up and down. The guy say the pursue say make it not near him again, make it leave her. Your sister say no. Now you see busy rest now first they run follow go buy ring say may busy rest they propose am. May you see how desperate you and your family be. No go better for now. Your sister no go buy better, and you no go buy better. You no go see good for your life. Your sister can never see good for a life. Your sister can never see good for a life. As soon as they do use nation, like she can never see good for a life.